My testimony is my sons who go to Italy, and he go by road, and before he reach there he meet some armed robber on the way, and God set him free. And he meet some wall of the way, and God do a miracle, he free, and before the river. And he cross over the river, is now in Italy, and give God the glory. Pastor Samuel is a man of God, and he try a lot for different people, not only me alone. And when this boy is on the way, I used to run to Pastor Sam, and he pray with me, and what he say concerning that boy, and God see us through over it. I give God the glory. And different people here give different testimony concerning Pastor Samuel, because that man is a man of God. And anyone who come here will never remain the same again, and God see all of us through. We give God the glory.